Oh, more TV car.
There is a darkness inside of me.
I name that tune in one.
It wants to walk around. It wants some walking around money, and it wants to buy some shoes, and it wants to walk up to the people and say, "Hey, Gator don't play no shit." You feel me? Gator never been about that. Never been about playing no shit.
Hello, darling. Gator don't play no shit. Hello, darling.
Told me you were drugged out and in the back. I was back there, and I pulled open that curtain, and I saw you.
Hello.